Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware support and preparing tools. First, identify your exact laptop model and verify the manufacturer lists a touch option. This tells you if the layer exists or not. Once done, boot to Windows, run Windows Update, and download the latest chipset and display drivers to a USB drive. Make sure to have a small screwdriver and static safe surface. These are required if you later open the screen. Now, move to Device Manager to see if touch is detected. Next, you enable and install touch drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Human Interface Devices, and enable any HID-compliant touchscreen. Right-click, choose Enable. If not listed, install the OEM digitizer driver you saved, run the installer and reboot. If drivers fail, check BIOS/UEFI for an input or touchscreen option and enable it, then retry. If Windows never detects touch, move to Hardware Options. A USB touch overlay or replacing the digitizer. These are the two viable paths when the internal layer is missing. Finish by calibrating and troubleshooting. You calibrate in Control Panel under Tablet PC settings, follow prompts and test single and multi-touch responses. Make sure gestures and scrolling behave as expected. Use a touch test app to verify coordinates. If touch is intermittent, reinstall or roll back drivers, check the display ribbon connection inside the bezel and receipt connectors. Make sure the device is powered off first. If none of that works, replace the digitizer or use a USB overlay. One key tip: always verify BIOS input settings before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.